check this bad boy out. I'm in love. If anybody has been on our social media lately, you would have seen how in love I am. This is the all-new Relaro RC car. And it's good, it's different, it's unique. I like it. It's 12th scale, which seems a bit odd, but...
You seem a bit odd.
I am a bit odd. Yeah, but it sort of doesn't seem like 12th scale. I don't know. Anyway.
I reckon that's 18th.
Nah, it's bigger than... Anyway, it is a scale, and it's not 10th.
There you go.
It's not 10th, but I've never seen a one-to-one drive down the road.
No, but that's the case with most RC cars.
No, that's right.
Yeah.
But it looks cool. I love it because it looks very buggy. It looks, I don't know, iconic. Sort of looks a bit like an F1 car.
It's an F1 buggy crossover. And I quite like the styling of the shell. It's quite good.
It is very good, isn't it? It's nice and shapely.
None of this crappy 100% cab forward thing, which I don't like. But you look inside. And
that's where the business is.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
3S.
Let's have a look at the business.
As standard.
3S as seen on this show. Let's have a look here.
Someone's sneaking up behind me.
Well, it is Friday.
Just let it happen.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Was that Diddy?
No, it wasn't Diddy. There was a song about that. Diddy dum. Diddy.
There we go.
There we go.
3S.
3600 kV.
3600 kV.
Which is ridiculous in something this size.
It is, isn't it? I can't wait to see it go. And it's a 2852, so 28 millimeters diameter, 52 millimeters long. So it's not quite a 10th scale motor.
Yeah.
But still, it's going to have some go. Going to have some poke. Going to go like a stabbed rat.
I haven't stabbed too many rats.
Haven't you?
But I don't live where you do. So.
That's right. Here you go. Look at that. Brushless. 3S. Comes with a 3S 2200. Might seem like a small battery, but it's going to keep it running for 10 minutes, I reckon.
You've got XT60 connectors, not some weird proprietary thing. I'm talking about you, Traxxas.
Yep, that's right. And it does have Velcro battery straps, so you can fit a whole range of different size batteries in there as well. This one is done for weight, balance, and performance, but you can put, I think, a 4400 Relaro off for one as an upgrade. And it's going to run this thing for bloody ever.
Yeah. And all the full ends and everything are all
competition spec, right?
1/10 scale stuff.
And it's 1/10 scale stuff. That's right. That's why I find it really hard to believe that it's going to break easy.
I don't think it will. It's going to hammer. And
beautiful drive shafts, CV front drive shafts. Really meaty arms, alloy shocks, CNC machined shock towers. It is a thing of grace and beauty.
And it's not expensive.
No,
that's even better. Value. It's really good value. And you can tear up the dirt with it because it says so underneath.
Tear up
the dirt.
Nice little graphics underneath.
Yeah.
Alloy suspension blocks. I love this thing. High grip tyres.
These are going to fly out the door. When did they come in? Yesterday.
Yeah, there's already been a couple go. Yeah. I think it's going to be one of those things that's built up because they're going to be unbelievable. But look at the bumper bar. It's not going to catch mud. It's still going to bit of a crumple zone. Full spares are available too, and I believe a load of option parts.
Yeah.
I'm not exactly sure yet. I haven't seen the option parts, but I think there's tuning, sway bars, springs, pistons, full competition spec. And they do come with, like, in the ready-to-run kit, they come with, I mean, that's the only way we have them, right? Battery charger, radio, ready-to-run, painted. But they have a high-speed gearing option, so they have a big tooth pinion in there that'll get it going 90 k's an hour. They've got diff gaskets, tools.
90 k's an hour is something this small.
It's like a bullet.
Yeah. There's a lot of people won't have heard of the name, but they've been around for a few years.
They have been around for a few years.
I'm certainly aware of them, but they're making a really big push now.
Big push, and
there's a big range of cars.
And proper supply chains. So this is one of the models. There's another one down there on the floor if you want to bend down.
I'll
kick it over.
I'll keep facing you.
Don't hit your head on the way up.
No, that's all right. It wouldn't hurt.
No, I'm just more worried that you'd bite.
Yeah. Let's bring that in. Give us the other one.
Here you go. Look at this one.
Look at that.
10th scale rally car, and it has a clipless body on it. It's going to be really hard to show, but yeah, a little clip under here and clips on the side that go into the body stiffeners, I suppose you call it, on the chassis. This is the next, so this is the carbon version of this model. which is really cool. That's
It's
the
got
high
carbon
spec.
stiffeners inside. You can't see it in the lower arms, but there's a...
Carbon stiffeners, got carbon braces
I need a
within the
carbon
chassis.
stiffener.
Do you?
Absolutely.
But it's a solid little unit. Rally's not huge in Australia, but this thing, again, another 100-kilometre-an-hour car.
Yeah.
3S powertrain. This one's got fan on the motor as well, as well as a heatsink. These guys are not mucking around, bringing some great products.
These are some serious stuff there, but
really high quality.
Not to be snoozed at, and the people distributing here have got a good track record with their stuff, so it'll be well supported.
And see how the body just clips on like that? Really well engineered.
Yeah,
and
although it's very confusing when you don't know how to undo it for the first time. But it's
looks
cool.
Super scale. Looks really cool.
You get extra stickers in the
full LEDs as well.
Yeah, so everything lights up.
Everything lights up.
Bit like you on most Friday nights.
Lit, fully lit.
Fully lit.
Yep.
And these are
That's
fun.
my MO.
I reckon these are going to be fun. We only have a limited amount at the moment. We'll have more coming in.
Super cool. I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. I love that little buggy more, but I love it all. I'm really excited for the Rlaarlo range. They've also got